Barbara's got a great question. She wants to know how I entice my clients to punch it up with color. Well, fortunately, most of my clients are coming to me because they like color. I'm sort of known for my love of color and pattern. But fundamentally, I think the easiest way to embrace color is in small doses. And even if you use color in small doses, it can still have a huge impact. So think of it this way. I always encourage people to use neutrals for all the big elements. So I always call them the fixed elements. So these are the things you're not likely going to replace anytime soon. So think about the sofa. Anything that's big ticket, expensive, and not easy to change if, whoopsie, you no longer like hot pink. Think about starting off with a really solid neutral foundation, and then you can inject as much excitement with color, as much as you have the appetite for, in smaller doses. And there's lots of ways to do that. You've got lighting. Think about table lamps. You can get ceramic table lamps in all sorts of gorgeous colors. Pillows, rugs, accents like drapery, artwork, wall color. There are so many different places that you can inject color while still keeping an overall neutral vibe. Don't be afraid of color.